Unity seeks to help us to establish a consciousness of the presence and activity of God that's within, expressing as us. That this presence is within us as life and love and wisdom and joy and power and all good, and we can draw on that presence in our life. St. Paul said it, "Know ye not that you're the temple of the living God, and the Spirit of God dwelleth within you?" That's the real church. The church not made with hands. In fact, there's one story in the Bible of Jesus asking his disciples, "Who do men say that I am?" And they all said different things. And then one says, "You are the Christ, the Son of the living God." And Jesus says to him, "Blessed are you, Simon Bar-Jonah, for flesh and blood has not revealed this to you, but the Father who is in heaven. I say to you, you are Peter, and upon you I will build my church." Now that's been taken to become this whole thing that the church began with Peter, and he's the head of the church, and la 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 la. It wasn't about a building. It wasn't about a denomination or a church. It was about consciousness. That's Unity's perspective. It was about, he was telling Peter that he had a realization of the truth of who I am. That you are the Christ, the Son of the living God. In other words, he perceived Jesus' spiritual nature. He understood from within, from his intuition, from his inner wisdom, from his inner guidance, what Jesus was there for, what he was about, what he was trying to do. And Jesus was saying, he renamed him. A lot of times in the Bible, when someone experiences a new state of consciousness, they get a new name reflecting that new state of consciousness. And so Simon Bar-Jonah just had this incredible realization, this inner knowing of who Jesus was. And so Jesus gave him a new name. He said, "You are Peter," from the Greek word Petros, which means rock. "Upon this rock I will build my church." What is that rock? That rock is faith. That rock is a consciousness of the presence and activity of God within us. Remember when Jesus said some people build their house on sand, other people build it on gravel, but the smart person will build it on rock. That's the church that Jesus was about. He was trying to build a consciousness, a church where you're the church. You are the temple. Your body is the temple. Your consciousness is the temple. And you are an expression of the living presence of God. That was his message to us. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.